First, I take a normally open NO contact X0. This will work as the start button. Then I place a normally closed NC contact X1. This will act as the stop button. After that, I add an output coil Y0. This coil represents the output device like a motor, lamp, or relay. Finally, I add a Y0 contact in parallel with X0. This contact is used for the latching function. When we press the start button X0, the circuit becomes true and output Y0 turns on. Once Y0 turns on, the parallel Y0 contact closes, which keeps the circuit on even if we release the start button. This is called latching or self-holding. To stop the output, we press the stop button X1. Since it is normally closed, pressing it opens the circuit and Y0 turns off, breaking the latch.